presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low-back bucket seats, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches styled steel, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 evap air, STD, tires, 215/65 R16 LBL all season, STD, Alpine white clear coat, quick order package 2XA included, engine 2.4 Li 40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.